Hey YouTubers, welcome to DudeRandom84's channel. This is the mic test video between the DSLR built-in mic and the Zoom H4n. Right now I'm using the DSLR built-in audio mic. Now I'm going to switch over to the Zoom H4n. I am now using the H4n Zoom handy recorder. Settings are on the highest quality, level 80. I know the Zoom will blow the DSLR camera mic out of the water. This is just for fun, just to see how much better the Zoom really is. So this is my test. I won't be editing any of the audio. It will go straight onto my laptop. I won't use any editing software to enhance any of the audio. You will hear it as I'm saying it. Thanks for watching. Peace.